There is no school that matches the culture and climate of this building. When teachers come to CPA, teachers want to teach. And guess what? You're not going to be doing classroom management at CPA. You're going to be teaching young people. You're going to have the opportunity to interact with staff and students at the University of Maryland that none of your colleagues across this district or any other district are going to have. I don't think you're going to find a friendlier staff. Like your colleagues here at CPA all look out for each other.
Teachers love teaching here at College Park Academy. We are a school where you're going to come and you're going to get to teach. Meaning our kids are here and they're driven, they want to be in your classroom. You have an administration who will listen. Teachers are going to love the environment that they come into every single day.
We're very fortunate at College Park Academy. We have educational leaders like our principals who support the staff in creating opportunities for them to be very innovative. We do have technology enhanced learning. All of our curriculum is digital, but it allows our teachers to really bring in the spark, the creativity, and make learning fun for students, but put forth that college rigor that is in our vision and mission.
When you're thinking about your next job, especially if you're somebody who wants to get into teaching, College Park Academy is the place to teach.
I can say beyond a shadow of a doubt, there is no better place to teach than College Park Academy.